各位同學，歡迎翻嚟2019年 MC 第17條嘅 solution 影片啦。咁咧呢一條咧，佢係講緊有條友啊，咁啊企喺度門隔離，即係病埋啦、匿埋啦，佢冇直接見到個電視嘅。咁但係咧，佢一樣我哋聽到聲啦，跟住睇唔到個畫嘅，係啊，有聲冇畫嘅。咁啊問你點解？咁啊我哋睇第一句啦。Sound wave deflects while light wave does not。咁呢一句係錯嘅，因為全部 wave 都識得 deflection 噶啦。但係佢睇唔到嘅關係唔係因為 diffraction 嘅，佢聽到聲亦都唔係因為 diffraction 嘅。More light 係因為反射嘅。OK， 總之佢個要知道咧，就係個 light wave 都係識得 diffraction 就 OK 啦。咁所以呢句係 factually 就錯咗嘅。咁啊，我哋可以剔走 A 同 C 啦。咁跟住咧，我哋睇第二句啦。一個係 mechanical，一個係 electromagnetic。咁佢哋個 nature 咧係唔影響嘅。你兩個你都唔喺真空度，咁冇乜所謂啦。呢個係咯，呢個係冇乜分別嘅。呢個絕對唔係一個 reason 嚟嘅。好啦，第三句啦，聲音有一個更加長嘅 wavelength than visible light。咁我哋就可以估下啦。咁我哋知道聲音嘅速度係 around 340 meter per second 啦。咁我哋就當佢個 frequency 係1000啦。咁所以你嘅 wavelength 就係0.3幾啦，係0.34 meter 啦。咁你另外 wavelength of visible light 咧就用 nm 計算噶嘛。Let's say 400至700咁樣啦。OK， 咁跟住咧，我哋要考慮 diffraction angle 啦。diffraction angle 咧 ，diffraction 就應該咧係會同你個 wavelength 有關啦。你 wavelength 越長嘅話，你個 diffraction 個開嘅角度就越大啦。而且會同你個 slit separation， 同你呢個嘅門口嘅差距，同你個 obstacle 嗰個開口有幾大咧，成反比關係嘅。個窿越窄嘅話咧，你 diffraction 嘅影響咧就越大。如果你個窿越闊嘅話咧，你啲 wave 咧就會直行直過，完全冇 diffraction 咁樣啦。咁啊好啦，由於你嘅 wavelength 長嘅關係，所以你個 diffraction angle 咧會大。然之後你光咧，因為 diffraction angle 實在太細啦，完全 feel 唔到嘅。咁所以咧，呢一個係一個 correct 嘅 reason 嚟嘅，就係因為聲音有長嘅 wavelength，所以佢 diffraction 個 effect 係 significant 嘅。咁所以答案就係 boy 啦。